Good evening, friends. I'm coming up with a cool feature, a great feature which is expected by many warehouse persons. And now it is available in Odoo 17. So quickly, I will show you the feature. One is when you are into delivery orders and when you are into product categories, you will get an option to force removal strategy as least package. So what it does is whichever is perfect package which was built during the receipt, it can be sent to customer as it is. So that is what my iteration is, but yeah, you can use this feature many other way. And second feature is let's see. So I'm making a purchase of for one of my item, and here I'm expecting maybe 200 units from my vendor. So during receipt now, you will get an option to import load by copy paste from your Excel. So earlier it was available in serial number. Now with load, you can just copy paste your load, and then you will get like against 200 unit of orders. The vendor has sent 203 with a different package. And now you can define the pack over here. So I have defined different pack earlier. So what I will do is I will maybe start with this type of pack where I can say pack, then search more, new. So this way, or I can define my own pack 8, pack 9. Okay, so it will directly create pack for me respective these units. You can see after saving, you can see the package also. These 4 packages has been created, and on validation it is done. Now you will see all your item inside those pack. Okay, now the same feature as a force removal strategy will be used when you are selling the same item to your customer. Let's say customer is asking for 160 units. Okay, so on confirmation on delivery, it will auto select the least available quantity which is matching customer demand 160. So Odoo has suggested pack 2, 6 and 002, 6 and 2. Okay, I am just copying this, and that's it, you are done. So how fast it is, your all packages which you received during receipt from your vendor, defined in package with different quantities from copy paste from Excel, and now the same can be made available during selling also by least package functionality on force removal strategy. And validate, okay, maybe if I'm not wrong, let me do that. So it is now done with all the packages, and that's it. So it's very cool feature, both the feature like copy paste load and define different quantities from Excel, and then reuse the same during sales force removal strategy as least package. Hope this will help many warehouse guys. Thank you.